Welcome back, folks. I'm Jimmy jdflutes. This one here is a special series, B flat, middle tone B flat, tuned to 432 Hz that I have for sale today. We will have it on sale also. It will ship out within 1 through 2 business days. And this flute here has such a crystal clear voice, folks. It is so amazing. You can record with it. You can do whatever you like with this flute. It's very easy on the mouth. It's been produced with very hard maple, and the fetishes on it has been produced with black walnut, which is also a hard wood. I have 2 genuine turquoise stones on it. And like I said, folks, when you get this flute here, you will be amazed of its voice. It's so easy to play. There's no work at all when playing this flute. Up on the bottom, you will see special series, 432 Hz. Beautiful maple wood, folks. I'm going to let it go cheap today, folks. Listen at its voice. Beautiful. My mouth's dry today. My mouth was sticking to the flute. But you can see, folks, this flute here has a wonderful voice. I'll put the link below this video, and it will be on sale today. You better get this one, folks. You will not go wrong with it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Have fun and happy fluting.